Have you heard of Moringa? If you haven't, you're not alone. But you're about to find out why so many people are talking about it. Moringa is quickly becoming a favorite among health enthusiasts, nutritionists, and even athletes. But what exactly is it? And why is it suddenly everywhere? This vibrant green powder is making waves in the health world. And for good reason. Its color alone hints at the powerful nutrients packed inside, and it's being added to everything from smoothies to energy bars. Moringa comes from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, often called the miracle tree, because of its incredible nutritional profile and resilience. Native to parts of Africa and Asia, this tree has been cherished for generations. Used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, Moringa is now gaining popularity as a simple, natural way to boost your nutrition. People are turning to it as a plant-based source of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. What makes it special? It's packed with more nutrients than most veggies in your fridge. In fact, Moringa contains high levels of vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, potassium, and even protein, making it a true superfood. The leaves are carefully harvested, dried, and ground into a fine powder, making it easy to add to your daily routine. This process preserves the nutrients, so you get all the benefits in a convenient form. It has a mild, earthy taste and blends well into foods and drinks. You can stir it into yogurt, blend it into smoothies, or even sprinkle it over salads and soups for a nutritious boost. Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse, perfect for anyone looking to support muscle growth and recovery. Its natural protein content and antioxidants make it a smart choice for athletes and anyone with an active lifestyle. We'll break down what's inside, how it helps your muscles, and how to use it. Whether you're curious about its vitamins, minerals, or how it fits into your diet, we've got you covered. Ready to discover your new green sidekick? Let's dive in and explore the world of Moringa together. Let's take a closer look at what makes Moringa such a nutritional powerhouse. When you open a jar of Moringa powder, or see those vibrant green leaves, you're looking at one of nature's most concentrated sources of essential nutrients. So, what exactly sets Moringa apart from other superfoods? First up, protein, and not just any protein. Moringa is a rare plant-based source of complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. These amino acids are crucial for muscle repair, growth, and overall body maintenance, making Moringa a fantastic choice for athletes, fitness lovers, or anyone looking to support a healthy, active lifestyle. But that's just the beginning. Moringa is also packed with a wide range of vitamins. There's vitamin A, which is essential for a strong immune system and healthy vision. Vitamin C, which helps protect your cells from damage and supports collagen production for healthy skin. And vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight free radicals. And let's not forget the B vitamins. These are the nutrients that help your body turn food into energy, so you can stay active and alert throughout the day. If you ever feel like you need a natural energy boost, Moringa's B vitamins have got you covered. By supporting your metabolism, these vitamins help convert what you eat into the fuel your body needs, keeping you energized from morning to night. On the mineral front, Moringa is impressively rich in iron, which is vital for transporting oxygen throughout your body and preventing fatigue. It's also a great source of calcium, supporting strong bones and healthy muscle function, and potassium, which helps maintain fluid balance and supports nerve signals. Plus, Moringa contains magnesium, which is important for muscle relaxation, stress reduction, and overall well-being. Each spoonful of Moringa delivers a symphony of nutrients. Think of it as a natural multivitamin, protein source, and mineral boost all rolled into one convenient superfood. That's why Moringa is celebrated as a true superfood. It offers dense, complete nutrition, straight from nature with no artificial additives or fillers. With every scoop, you're supporting your immune system, boosting your energy, and aiding muscle recovery. All thanks to the natural goodness of Moringa. It's simple, powerful, and completely natural, making it easy to add to your daily routine. No wonder Moringa has become a favorite among health enthusiasts, athletes, and anyone looking to nourish their body with the best nature has to offer. Now let's discover how Moringa can help power your muscles and support your active lifestyle. Let's talk protein, the foundation for muscle building. After a workout, your muscles need protein to repair and grow stronger. Moringa is a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids in one go. No need to mix and match foods. These amino acids, especially BCAAs, are key for muscle repair. Adding Moringa to your post-workout shake kickstarts recovery fast. Think of it as giving your body every tool it needs to rebuild muscle efficiently. This means better recovery, less soreness, and more muscle growth. It's easy. Stir moringa into water, a smoothie, or yogurt, perfect for busy lifestyles. No complicated meals, just quick, high-quality nutrition. Moringa makes your nutrition work for you, supporting your hard work in every scoop. Smarter recovery, stronger results. That's the Moringa advantage. Protein is vital, but vitamins and minerals are the unsung heroes of muscle health. Moringa is packed with iron, which helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, boosting endurance and reducing fatigue. Calcium and magnesium work together for smooth muscle contraction and relaxation, essential for every rep and run. Magnesium also helps prevent cramps and supports recovery. Antioxidants like vitamin C and polyphenols fight exercise-induced oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and muscle soreness. This means faster recovery and less downtime between workouts. Moringa's nutrient combo supports your muscles, energy, and immune system. It's a holistic approach. Protein for building, minerals for function, antioxidants for protection. You're not just feeding muscles, you're supporting your whole system. That's how you build a resilient, strong body. Moringa fuels your engine from the inside out. Real results, real nutrition. So how does Moringa actually help you build muscle? It starts with recovery. After training, your muscles need amino acids to repair and grow. Moringa delivers these building blocks fast, speeding up the repair process. Less downtime means you can train more consistently, key for real progress. Its anti-inflammatory antioxidants reduce soreness and create the perfect environment for muscle growth. Plus, Moringa's iron, magnesium, and B vitamins boost your energy, so you can push harder in every session. More energy, better recovery, and less soreness add up to stronger muscles. Moringa is like express delivery for your body's repair crew. It's a full circle benefit. Fuel, recover, repeat. That's how you get stronger faster. Let's see why athletes love it. Athletes are turning to Moringa for a natural performance edge. It's a clean, plant-based supplement. Just dried leaves, no fillers or additives. Moringa's high iron content boosts oxygen delivery, improving stamina and endurance for runners, cyclists, and gym lovers. Its complete protein and anti-inflammatory compounds speed up muscle repair and reduce soreness, so athletes recover faster. Faster recovery means more consistent, intense training. Moringa also supports immune health with vitamins and antioxidants, helping athletes stay healthy and avoid missed workouts. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool for anyone serious about fitness. Simple, effective, and natural. Moringa fits right into any training routine. That's why it's becoming a staple for athletes everywhere. Want to try it? Let's talk easy ways to use Moringa. You don't have to be a chef to get started. Here's how. Moringa powder is incredibly versatile and easy to use, making it a fantastic addition to almost any meal or snack. Packed with nutrients, it's a simple way to boost your daily intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without much effort. The simplest way to enjoy Moringa? Just add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie. It blends seamlessly with fruits and greens, giving your drink a vibrant green color and a gentle nutrition boost to start your day right. If you're in a hurry, stir Moringa powder into a glass of water or coconut water for a quick post-workout shot. It's a fast, refreshing way to replenish your body and support recovery after exercise. You can also mix Moringa into sauces, soups, or stews. Its mild, earthy flavor blends right in, so you get all the benefits without overpowering your favorite dishes. Try adding it to curries, chili, or even pasta sauce for an extra health kick. Whisk Moringa into salad dressings for a nutritious twist, or sprinkle it over porridge, overnight oats, or yogurt bowls. It's a great way to sneak in extra nutrients at breakfast or lunch. For a wholesome breakfast, add Moringa powder to your pancake or waffle batter. The green hue is fun, and you'll be fueling your body with plant-based goodness from the very first meal of the day. Stir it into scrambled eggs or omelets for a healthy start. The subtle flavor pairs well with herbs and veggies, making your breakfast both colorful and nourishing. Use Moringa in homemade energy bowls or protein bars for a portable, nutrient-dense snack. It's perfect for busy days, post-workout fuel, or a midday pick-me-up. Even mix it into guacamole or hummus for a supercharged dip. The green color adds a fun twist, and you'll be adding extra vitamins to your favorite spreads. When starting out, use half to 1 teaspoon per serving and adjust to taste. Moringa's flavor is mild, but a little goes a long way. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Try it in different recipes and see how you like it. Making Moringa part of your daily routine is simple and rewarding. With so many easy ways to use it, you'll quickly find your favorites. Now let's try a delicious recipe and see just how easy it is to enjoy the benefits of moringa every day. Here's how to get started. We've explored moringa's power: complete protein, essential vitamins, and minerals for muscle growth and recovery. It's not about quick fixes, but about fueling your body with real, natural nutrition. Start small. Add a teaspoon to your smoothie, porridge, or water. Experiment with soups, sauces, or dips. Find what fits your routine. Consistency is key. Make it a daily habit for the best results. My lean green moringa smoothie is a great place to begin. If you want stronger muscles, more energy, and better recovery, give moringa a try. Grab a bag, start experimenting, and listen to your body. Every small step adds up to a stronger, healthier you. Unlock the power of moringa. You've got this.